Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the canvas. Cleanse and hydrate so makeup sits evenly. Once done, pat not rub, and let your moisturizer absorb for a minute. Then choose a primer targeted to your skin concern. Use primer on oily zones for longer wear. Next, test foundation on your jawline to match neck tones, pump a small amount, and warm it on the back of your hand to ease blending. Use a damp sponge or synthetic brush for thin, buildable layers to avoid cakiness. You now build depth. Apply foundation in thin layers, starting at the center of the face and blending outward to avoid mask lines. Make sure to blend into your hairline and jaw. Once foundation sits, dot concealer under eyes in a triangle and gently tap. You want coverage without moving the base. Set gently with a small amount of translucent powder to prevent creasing. For eyes, lay a transition shade in the crease, deepen the outer corner. Then blend edges until you complete the look by adding color and lock-in. Sweep blush on the cheek apples and a touch on the nose bridge for cohesion. Apply highlighter sparingly to cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and inner eye to catch light. For lips, line then fill, pat a tissue and reapply for longevity. Finish with 2-3 spritzes of setting spray from 8 to 10 inches away and allow to dry without touching. If something goes wrong, blot oil and reblend. Remove excess product and reapply minimal product to rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.